Good morning, Claire.
Morning, Mama.
This is where we slept last night. Me and Dan and Claire and Max and Cozy. So pretty. Oh, who's that?
We found her! There she is! There's our Claire! Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Yeah, that's see those teeth. You're cute.
We have us and a dog.
Hey, Jane.
Hi.
How you feeling today?
Happy.
Where are we?
Pretty much almost
Cannon
her birthday.
Beach.
We're in town. We're gonna take a walk downtown.
Sugar. Am I gonna eat it or what?
Oh, we're approaching one of our favorite stores. What is it, Jane?
Go in there.
What'd you get, Jane? In Bruce's Candy Kitchen.
I know I'm sucker.
Love lollipops, huh? You're so happy. Good.
Got a piece of seafoam for you, a piece of seafoam for me, and all the flavors, a few of the flavors that I like.
Long mural. We're getting a lot of video time. Oh, this is our favorite game. It's gone! It's gone! Good job, Kaden!
Sacrificing it all. Oh, and it's really wet. Towels? Who needs a towel? Max is wet.
I don't know. You can actually